Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Gemini. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Gemini. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys, Gemini. If you want more clarity or if you have some doubts or confusions in your mind, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So let's start with these cards here. We have lilies, letter, and moon. So, Gemini, you are someone who is having lofty aspirations, great dreams for your future. You are planning so many things in your life today, maybe about your career or about your relationship. You are having a lot of dreams and you are thinking the ways to achieve all those dreams today, guys. And maybe for some of you, your intuition is um, working well today, guys, and you are maybe seeing some signs, or you are seeing having some guidance, maybe some unconscious urges towards something when you are making some important choices. You are uh, having some kind of an impulse or instinct to choose something. So you need to understand that you are having some kind of intuition today. And maybe for some of you, if you are in some difficult situation, guys, Gemini, maybe you are going through some financial stress or some kind of troubles in your relationship. I also see that all that is coming to an end today. Things are going to change and things are going to go in a very positive way in your situation, guys, Gemini. And also, guys, for y'all, you have a very meaningful and a beautiful relationship with this person you love, and you are someone who's really charming, who's beautiful, and this person finds you very attractive, and you have mutual love, respect, and caring for each other, and you both are very attractive, and you both are what to say look like an ideal couple, guys. You are made for each other, and things are going in a very positive way in this relationship, guys. And also, for some of you, I see that this person completes you. So maybe this person may be your karmic connection, guys. You would have known them in your past life. So maybe you sense a great familiarity with this person. And today, Gemini, you are also getting some important invitation or some important communication is coming. Maybe this person is inviting you for something, maybe they are inviting you to meet their parents, or some kind of invitation you are getting, maybe for some important function, or it may be what to say, something like an opportunity for you, uh, for you guys. This invitation may be a great opportunity for your career, or maybe to know many people, meet many people. So some positive communication or some positive announcement or invitation or a message is reaching you today, guys. And things are going in a very, what to say, in a beautiful pace for you guys, Gemini. So in your relationship and in your career situation, things are going very well for you guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. So we have stock, again a very beautiful card here. It just means that you are seeing some new beginning in your relationship. So, the way things are going, maybe you are planning to start a family or you want to have a child together. So, some positive changes, maybe you are planning to get married. So, some positive changes are happening in your situation, guys. So, let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have the lady. So, this card, it just means that your person and yourself, you both are interested in this relationship, and you are planning to get married, and this person you love are very devoted to you guys. So with the whole set of cards here, that is the energy, guys. But for your career situation, we have this card. So it just means that you are very talented, skilled, and you are devoted to your work, and you have uh, that willpower and determination to make things work for you guys, Gemini. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. Or you can think about these crystals and meditate. Maybe you may have some questions or doubts. You can think about it. Close your eyes and meditate for a few seconds. Then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card and move on to this card, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So for those who chose this first card, I will keep this card aside. Let's see what is the card. This is a crystal for y'all, and the card is Blood Angel. So these are Rumi cards, guys. These cards are based on poet Rumi's poetry. So this card just means that this oracle card, it comes with a special message, guys. So today you are given the gift of more life. So to experience this growth or that energy in your life, you need to understand that to have that essence, to live that essence, you are maybe you need to face some unavoidable situations, guys, experiences. So there may be lot of painful experience you may go through in life, because life is all about balance. When you are opening yourself to receive more, you need to understand that you need to empty whatever you have in you, guys. Maybe your past, whatever hurt you feel or you would have felt, you should empty all that. And it is an exchange that is happening in your situation, guys, compensating for what is coming to you. So maybe there will be a great loss you suffer, emotional or psychological changes you may see, and you are going to release all that, whatever you have, to receive whatever is coming towards you, guys. And maybe for some of you, that darkness of grief or maybe some hurtful feelings that you have, all that is going to clear up in the coming days, guys, or maybe very soon. So you need to be ready to endure the sadness or stress or grief in order to enjoy the beautiful things that are coming towards you, guys. And this card also comes with a special blessing of well-being and vitality in your life, guys. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card and the second crystal. So this is the second crystal and this is the second card. So the card is Rapunzel, liberation. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe for some of you, you are what to say, trying to isolate yourself. You are trying to block people from your life. You don't want anyone near you. You are trying to be alone, shunning people, maybe friends or family, whoever it is, and you are trying to protect yourself from them, and you have become what to say, someone who is not easily to be accessed. So you have some past hurting you, maybe some heavy thoughts, some negative emotions. Maybe it is time you liberate yourself from this isolation, guys. And maybe you're escaping from facing your world, maybe the outside situation, your friends or family, or this person. Someone is coming interested in you. You are not ready to face them. You are escaping from every situation because of some negative thoughts or some heaviness in your heart. Maybe it is time for you to give up these negative thoughts or all the attachments that you have. And maybe the wait is over, guys. Maybe you spent too much time alone. That time is over now, and you need to see life with a different perspective, and you need to free yourself from your heavy thoughts. You are the one who can free yourself from this situation, guys. No one can help you other than you yourself. So you have to come out of this isolation, some kind of separation you are experiencing today. You are the reason for that, but because you are not ready to face the outside world. So you need to have that courage in your heart and come out of your situation and release yourself from your past. Maybe your past has hurt you a lot. You need to release yourself of all those negative emotions that you have within you, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.